Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading platforms. As you may know, if you have been a subscriber on the channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades, analyzing more than 1,000 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing the tickers of stocks that are set up for good uptrends every day, along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with the members. So if you may be interested in this service, please make sure you check the link in the description below. So for this week, we are again having a great week with profits and wanted to share 3 trades that we have done with the Platinum members. So the first stock would be Vanek Pharmaceuticals ETF, ticker symbol PPH. This stock was first listed on our Horizon list by Mark on the 28th of March when it was around $75.50. Now ever since then, Mark has been analyzing the chart each day, sharing his insights and chart analysis with the Platinum members to always keep the members aware of where the next resistance level is and where the support level would be, so the members who might have been in this trade can be aware of where to keep an eye on regarding profit taking and setting stop losses. Now again, this is not financial advice, so we are not recommending any trades, but we are doing all the work for the members and providing resources to help our members make better decisions with their swing trades. And of course, you can always ask any questions directly to Mark and he will get back to you as soon as possible. Now on April 5th, Mark has sent out a sell alert of half the position of PPH at his resistance level to make sure the members could preserve their gains if they wanted to. But at the same time, he left the remaining half of the position in the trade since it was still in an uptrend momentum based on the indicators. So if you were to trade 100 shares when PPH was first listed by Mark, you would have made around $100 by just selling half the position. Again, for swing trades, it's very important that you preserve your gains and not get into a situation where you had gains, but because you missed a level to sell and the stock went down, you are now stuck in that stock with a huge loss. So we are trying our best to keep our members out of these scenarios. Now for our second trade, it was Arthur J. Gallagher, or ticker symbol AJG. This stock was first found on March 27th when it was $185.66, as you can see in the graph. Now ever since then, again, Mark has been analyzing the chart every day, sharing it with the members to make sure the stock was in an uptrend momentum based on his 10 indicators. Now on April 5th, Mark sent out a sell signal for half the position of AJG as it hit the stop limit that was set at the resistance level, and at this point the members would have preserved more than 5% gain or $700 if they were to trade 100 shares and just sell half that position. We still have the remaining half in the trade since the indicators are pointing at an uptrend momentum, but if there are any signs of a downtrend for the stock, Mark will definitely send out another sell signal as soon as possible so the members can be aware where they might want to put a sell order in. Now for our third trade, it was Amgen, ticker symbol AMGN. Amgen was a stock that was listed on our Horizon list, which are 10 stocks that were selected by Mark out of going through approximately 1,000 stocks, and as you can see here, it was listed on the week of March 27th at the price of $238.03. Now, as you can see in this graph, Amgen has been rising ever since it was listed on our Horizon list, and after closing above the 9 SMA, which Mark keeps a close eye on, it closed above the 20 SMA and then the 50 SMA and is now heading toward its next resistance level, which would be the 200 SMA. Since the stock hasn't closed above the 200 SMA yet, there is always a possibility that the stock can get rejected and head back down, so it is important that you have stop losses set up just in case. Now, if you have traded 100 shares of Amgen when it was first mentioned by Mark and sold it today, you would have made over $1,500 in profits. But again, this is not financial advice, and we do share all the research and chart analysis, but the decision is made by the members. And our goal is to help the members make their best decisions regarding trades. So again, if you're interested in these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&A with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we could get through this tough market together. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom call so that we could share great insights together. Thank you very much and see you on our next update video.